Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today video session of AutoCAD tutorial is about making hexagonal nut. So as we see, hexagonal nut is basically made from polygon and then circle and few other commands. We can easily make hexagonal nut. So for that, before making hexagonal nut or hex nut, anyway, setup enter, N enter, D enter, 1 enter scale factor, and then 10 by 10 would be sufficient because the size is not that much big. You can even erase this. So polygon POL enter, 6 enter, click, and then 6 enter. So it should be in this direction. So then you can draw circle, C enter, and from here to here, and then again a circle, C enter, exactly at the middle, and 3 inches should be the radius. So it is, you can see from the top you can see hexagonal nut. However, the front elevation would be XL enter, H enter, so sorry, XL enter and V enter. So we can easily make a front elevation. Click here, all the corners, and circle. Then you can draw line anywhere here, trim this area, and then you can easily erase. Now take offset of 5 inches, then trim, then L enter, and then you can draw line here at 45 degree. So you can on F8 and you can easily make line at 45 degree. You can trim it, and again you need to draw line here. So you need to follow these steps in a sequence while making hexagonal nut. You can trim this middle line, again make a line here, and enter, and one line from here. So it's complete line. And you can trim. Basically these are 3 different lines. So now we can easily draw arc, command A enter, click here, exactly at the middle point here, and then click here, and then again A enter, click here, this corner, exactly at the middle, and then here, then draw a line here at the middle, and another line here at the middle. Trim the lower and trim this side, erase. So you just leave 25% of hexagonal nut and should remove or trim the remaining parts, and then you can trim this guy. You can trim it, or you can simply erase, trim this line, erase this one, and erase this one. Then mirror, MI enter, select the whole object, then enter, click here and here, then again mirror, MI enter, again select the whole object, enter, click here and here, enter, and erase the middle lines. So you can easily make front elevation for this hexagonal nut. You can move anywhere, M enter, and then So hexagonal nut. So from top it will look like this, and from front hexagonal nut would be more like this. Now in the next video we will make that how can we convert this 2D hexagonal nut into 3D. So keep watching. Thank you.